As a young man of 47, I want to kind of review this year. For me, it has been my best year ever. You know what that means? At 73, going on 47, this has been my best year. In every respects. My business is actually doing pretty good now. Kind of roll with the flow. Physically, I'm staying strong. I eat mostly fruit, some cooked food, mostly food. But the thing that matters most is my love of life. My passion just for being in my existence. My passion just for being in my existence. Which means vacation city all the time. Which means vacation city no matter what I do. Which means I get up, I'm in vacation city. It's always about your mind and how it controls your life. It really does. And for me personally, I know I gotta be strong all the time. My thoughts have to be positive all the time. I'd be super positive every single moment, no matter what's going on. President election, super positive. Rise in the street, super positive. Food shortage. I mean, all these things are happening. They happen all the time. Ever since I can remember, there's always something going on. There's always like, politically, there's always like upheaval. That's the way it is. You know, I was raised in the ghetto. I was in the war, 2 wars actually, Vietnam War. And then I was in the Yom Kippur War. I wasn't involved directly, but I was there. There with the terrorists, there with the, in the hood, in the ghetto. It's the way it is. The thing is, you gotta stay strong, stay true to yourself. I can't overemphasize that. You have 75 trillion cells that demand excellence. They don't want to hear your shit. That's the bottom line. They don't want to hear it. Their job is to make sure that you're healthy, happy, every single moment. Vacation city, boom, 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 boom. Just get out of its way. What we think becomes part of who we are. What we think, our fears become part of who we are. You know what it means? Our fears of the unknown. Just take each cell and just strangle it. You know what that means? Rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. Always, man, always. Vacation city, always. You're given life, always. You're given breath, always. You should be super excited. A lot going on, but that's the way it is. The most important thing, in my opinion, is how we see ourselves. How we see someone's here. How we see ourselves. My housemate just walked in.
Are you making a video?
Yes.
Okay.
Just got in.
Yeah.
You want to say something?
No.
This thing is rock and roll, living a dream, super excited, and that's how life works. Vacation city, starting the day. Talk to you soon. Bye.
First day of vacation.